Core Credit Union covers the area of Dunleary in South Dublin. We have 7 offices and 33,000 members. If you're looking for a loan from the credit union, you either need to live or work in the area, and opening an account and applying for a loan can be done in one day. Our loans range from €50 to €75,000 and typically a time period of 3 years up to 15 years. We give loans in the credit union for a variety of reasons and a variety of purposes, from the everyday car to home improvement loan to the more unusual loans. It might be a holiday of a lifetime for a family wanting to go to Florida, or it could be for something like IVF treatment, surrogacy, hair transplant or medical treatments. To apply for a loan from the credit union, what you need to bring in are your most recent pay slips, bank statements, a proof of ID and a proof of address. Typically about 90% of our loans are approved within 24 hours. People apply for loans for a variety of reasons and a variety of purposes. But I suppose the main reason why someone applies for a loan is they need something today, but mightn't have the funds for it, and they're going to get the value of whatever they're looking for over a number of years, and they're happy to pay for it over that period of time. If you don't live or work in the area of Core Credit Union, there are many other credit unions throughout Ireland, and any of those credit unions will be more than happy to talk with you and to consider a loan application. If you would like to make contact with us to look for a loan, it's as simple as ringing our phone number on 272-5600, calling into any of our 7 offices, or going onto our website where you can apply online.